One, two, three. India has won the match against New Zealand, and today is also my last day of completing 123 days challenge, and that is why this little celebration. And in this video, I'm going to tell you about like what is this 123 days challenge was about. That I started in the month of November 7th, and during this period, I have worked upon my mental health, wealth, relationship and my gut health. Okay, and all of these things I have not done by myself. It is through one of my mentor, Rohan Sapra. So he has started this challenge and I become a part of it, and many people were part of it. So there were around like 13 to 15 people were the participant in the starting of it, but only 3 remains consistent, and I was one of it. So that was a really great thing for me to do this 123 challenge. It has helped me to remain consistent, making consistent videos, making business revenues that I always wanted to, scaling upon the things that I wanted to, focusing upon the things that I wanted to. Right. So let us understand. So one thing that I have learned during this 123 challenge is that focus is finite and focus is not infinite. You have to remember this all the way, whether you are starting an online coaching business, running an online coaching business. So where your focus goes, your energy flows, and wherever energy flows, that grows. Okay, so in this video, the last videos, it's not going to be my last videos. Obviously for this challenge it is going to be my last videos, but I will continue making this and I will continue take challenges that is going to help me build my health, wealth, relationship and my self character development through various things. So today I am going to tell you about the Ramban or the Brahmastra of marketing that you can use for creating good ads, the bestest of ads, the hooks that you want to, that will grab audience attention to the core. Okay, and it means that the if you are able to understand your audience to a deeper level, then your product will automatically sells. So first of understand, if you, so this is video is for people who do not have a product, they want to launch a product, they want to launch a webinar, workshop, digital coaching program, or they already are running but they're not getting conversions. So if you're not getting conversion, it means that less people are hooking onto your advertisements, maybe your video ads, image ads. That problem I'm going to solve it for you, and you can use it via chat gpt. So you have to leverage the chat gpt and you do not have to use your brain as much. You only have to pick and choose which is the best one for you, which is not the best for you. Okay, and tomorrow I'm going to record a video about the challenge that I'm going to coming up with next, and it's again going to be 123 days challenge only, because I have seen like 4 months is something that you require to see any kind of significant changes, whether it's the advertising, whether it's your health, wealth or relationship. Obviously if you put more efforts and more focused efforts, you will get the results very fast. So today what I have done, so I was having a meeting with my copywriter, and so the hooks that he wrote now, it was not very good, it was not very appealing to me. So think about like it will not more appealing to the audience as well. So we sat on it and then we decided upon like what the kind of core messaging we have to focus upon. What is it that people are now want, what is it their frustration, hopes, desire. And this is something that I taught that one of my team member about copywriting, that you can leverage AI in this apart from the fundamental knowledge you already have. Okay, so first of all, if you already have a landing page, then just put that landing page, copy over the chat gpt and ask that like tell me what are the pros and cons of this landing page and how can I improve it. So that landing page, so the chat gpt will give you pointers that what are the things that you need to work upon, and it really gives the pointers which are really optimizing as which will help you, the pointers will help you to optimize your conversion rate optimization. Okay, and it will help you more getting more conversions. Now the first prompt that you have to use is, first of all, give chat gpt about like what are you trying to promote. For example, if you are you trying to promote a webinar, are you trying to promote a 5-day challenge, 3-day challenge, a master class, or a digital product. Okay, and if you have content about it, then give the content to ChatGPT, and then just say to the ChatGPT that, hey ChatGPT, please give me the demographics, psychographics, and pain points of the ideal future customer, including age range, job titles, and common interest in India. So you have to be very specific about where, uh, because behavior of audiences differs in different countries. So you have to be very specific about like which countries are do you want to target to. Okay, so and then ChatGPT will give you an ideal customer persona for your webinar masterclass. Okay, so this prompt will give you the answers, like it will give you the demographics, who they are, their age range, gender, location, income level, education, job titles. So job title is somewhere we miss out, because when ChatGPT gives you multiple job titles, so you have different kind of audience that you can say actually. So for example, so one of the research that I have done, it gives me two categories of, so either people will be working professional, either people will be business owners. So under working professional, it has given me certain categories of IT professionals. Those people are software engineers, data analysts, product manager. The second ones are finance and banking executive. And under category comes is investment bankers, financial analysts, chartered accountants, corporate professionals, manager, consultants, CXOs, entrepreneurs, stock market traders, and investors. Under business owners category, it has given me small business owners, startup founders, high net worth individual. So these are some of the categories. Then you can literally test on different level of advertisements. Okay. Then what are the psychographics? So psychographics are the some kind of behavior that people, so psychographics are basically behavior on a mindset, goals level. What is the kind of vision what the kind of vision the audience have for themselves. Okay, like are they growth oriented, are they want to transition from point A to point B, do they believe in long term wealth, do they believe in long term sustainability, do they believe in long term relationship, or what kind of the common interest they have that they are living through their life. Okay, what the kind of online behavior they have, are they part of online Facebook groups, online WhatsApp groups, or do they hang out, do they chat on different kind of Reddit platforms, Twitter, and all of those things, what kind of searches they do over internet. And then it will give you pain points, what are the challenges they face. And ChatGPT will give you the detailed analysis if you give it proper input. If you give it vague inputs, then it will give you very vague surface level output. Okay, so you have to be very specific about what are you giving it. And the second prompt that you have to use after this. Okay, so I have gone a little bit further to understand that to create custom avatar, basically who are the real person that are going to buy from you. So you have to say, can you please condense the above information into valid custom avatar, completing with name, age, job title, etc. So after this, ChatGPT will give you ideal custom avatar for your product, for your masterclass, for your webinar. Okay, and it will give you a literally an example of person who is going to buy, who is set for your target customer to become a target customer. And then I have given ChatGPT another prompt with related to it, as I'm telling ChatGPT, give me different custom avatar for my masterclass, my webinar, my coaching program, for the below job titles. So I'm now segregating my audience into different categories. For example, I can say it is for homemakers, housewives, it is for IT professionals, job working professionals, for entrepreneurs, for founders. So I can literally segment it wise so that people resonate it with more. Okay, and then ChatGPT will give different custom avatar for different plans. Okay, now after this, okay, and whenever you started reading all this output, now you will get so much of insight, what the deep core things that are going, like what are deep core things that are going to relate with your customers. Okay, now upon this just say to ChatGPT that based upon Schwartz level of awareness, what is the awareness does the ideal future customer present. So it means that Egon Schwartz is a writer of a great book, Breakthrough Advertising. Okay, and he says that so ideal future customer falls between five levels. Okay, that either they are product aware, solution aware. Okay, and then it will tell you that which the of the category your product falls in, whether the your product falls in the category of solution aware, or the product aware, or the problem aware, or problem unaware stage. So these four problem awareness level you have to know, and as per the awareness level you have to understand the different level of hooks. For example, if people are aware of the problems, so it means that they know the problem but they do not know the solution of it. So you have to advertise on that level. If people are aware of solutions, different solution, then you have to focus upon why your solution is the USP that they should be worry about. Okay, and so according to different stages of awareness level you have to dig down the different hooks, pain points, video scripts, marketing messages, and thinking out of the box can actually help you. You can derive things from here, from this output. And even if you just read this output from ChatGPT, now you will just go crazy in your marketing. Okay. Now after this, just you say that okay. After this, just tell ChatGPT what are some of the painful things that the avatar might be seeing, saying, hearing, and thinking. Please list 20 things. So this is exactly getting to know the empathy of your customers. So when I say empathy, it means that you are now in your shoes of your customers to understand their problem, pain point, desire, situation, and this can only help. This can only be done in four senses. So that are what are they seeing, what are they saying, what are they hearing, and what are they thinking. Okay, so if you are able to understand this, what is exactly going in your customer mind on a day-to-day daily basis, then you will see ChatGPT will give you those kind of pointers that you can actually now use as a hook with little bit of tweak around it. So that is all for this video. This is going to be the last of this video of 123-day challenge. Tomorrow I'm going to announce my another 123-day challenge that are going to start tomorrow. Okay, in that I'm going to focus upon the same things. Okay, because if I have improved one set of things in my life, I'm going to continue improvise upon it. Okay, and as you level up you improvise upon things. First I tried to focus upon quantity of videos, then I will now work upon the quality of videos, then will come at a stage that I will work upon the quality plus quantity of stage, quality plus quantity of videos. And tomorrow I'm going to disclose the what are the things I'm going to work upon in next 123-day challenge in terms of my health, wealth, mental health, and then wealth. So all of these things are related to each other. If you cannot just focus upon one thing and think that other things will not take care of itself. You have to work upon all the areas simultaneously and give it time to simultaneously, because focus is finite, focus is not infinite. So with this I rest my voice. Thank you so much.